Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making Gemere, ginger, bee, and it's in different strengths. The first one will be no yeast. That one is ready in 20 minutes. Let's begin. Scrape ginger roots with a spoon until you have half a cup. I will leave in the description box all the details, that means the measurements and more information. Grate the ginger roots using the rough part of the grater. Here I was measuring half a cup I needed. Put the grated ginger in a bowl, then add sugar, add sparkling water. I didn't have enough sparkling water, so I ended up adding just tap water on top of sparkling. However, you just need only sparkling water and you are ready. Stir, wait for 20 minutes, then strain or sieve your juice. Push with the back of the spoon for liquids to escape, all of it. There you go, it's ready. You can pour it into glasses and add ice and enjoy. Here I am showing the clarity of the juice. You don't have to sieve it many times. We are doing the milder version, which ferments overnight. It's got yeast. Cut and slice a pineapple. Peel the pineapple. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. In a big pot, add 2 cups of cold water, tap water, 2 cups of sugar and the pineapple peels. Faka amanzi ebhodweni elikhulu, ufaka ushukela, ufaka amakhasi ka pineapple. Add raisins and stir. izandla nje ezimbili sama raisins bese uyagoqoza. Add cream of tartar and ground ginger and stir. I-ginger lesengifaka ne-cream of tartar. Cook on low heat, stirring regularly. Asifuna ukuthi ishe, nciphisa umlilo ube phansi bese uyagoqoza. Pour more water now to make it 2 liters in total. Faka amanzi athi xaxa. Bese uyagoqoza. Njalo lokugoqozile. Once it starts to boil, simmer it for 10 minutes. Then cool it at room temperature. Misiqala ukubila, nciphisa umlilo uyiyeke ibile for imizuzu eyishumi bese uyayipholisa. Uma isipholile, faka i-yeast. When it cools down, add the instant yeast. Stir, close the pot and ferment overnight. Vala ipotwe uyiyeke ubusuku bonke ibile. Strain it the following day. Sesiyayisiva ke manje. Angilazi igama lesu. Strain it as many times as you want to get the clarity you like. Ungaze usebenzise even indwangu ukuthi uyisefe ukuthi ibe clear or ibe yiko lokho ufuna ukuthi ibe yiko. Store it in a glass bottle, not a plastic bottle, and refrigerate it. Serve it cool. If you put it in a plastic bottle and it's a hot space, it might explode because of fermentation. I hope you enjoy this milder version. We could drink it as well, as my family don't like stronger. Now we go to a stronger fermentation. This is fermented over 3 nights. On this one, I used the pineapple I stored from the previous mild version. So it's the one I'm cutting into pieces. And I am going to use a bigger bottle which takes about 7 liters of water. I add the pineapple pieces into the bottle. Add sultanas. I'm using ginger powder this time. And I've added sugar, the cane sugar. I've put star anise, then added instant yeast. Stir using a long utensil to get to the bottom of the bottle. Bese ngigcwalise kakhulu. Close it, the bottle, and then wait for 3 days. Ukuchaza ngesizulu kwibhodlela elithe xaxa ngifake upineapple, amasultana, ushukela, uginger powder, istar anise, yeast, ngagoqoza. Amanzi ayabanda akampompi. Ngagoqoza ngalinda. This is day 2 and 3 of fermentation, this is what happens. Iyabila, it's fermenting big time. Please press the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know which version is yours or which one do you like. Nakho ke hayi sesingadla manje. Enjoy it, be it with scones. We couldn't drink the last version. We were able to drink the first and the second. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.